Where cases continue to rise, the civic body data has now revealed that 20 to 30% of the city's daily caseload are coming from the family contacts of positive patients who are self-isolating at home. Now, the Chennai Corporation officials have advised all family members to wear a mask inside their houses if there is a positive patient at home.
Out of 6,000 cases, majority, as you said, 20 to 30% cases. Yesterday also around 19% were cases which were there from home isolation contact only. Right now, as we are prescribing being a mild asymptomatic cases, more home isolation, we are also directing them that inside also they should wear mask. Majority of the issue is that if they don't have separate facility, one house itself they are spreading it. So that is the reason we are getting more family contacts getting positive. So right now we are advising them as if a person is even mild or asymptomatic also, he should just isolate inside one separate room, and other member also should wear mask. That will definitely prevent them.
They have to wear tight mask. Even at home also, if they don't want, if the contact person, if they feel that the contact person should not occur infection, means they have to wear the mask. And toilet, the restrooms, they have to use it separately. Another thing is good rest, taking plenty of fluids, hand washing frequently, sanitation is important. These are the steps to be followed.
And my colleague Mugilan now joins me live on the broadcast this morning. Mugilan, very good morning. Now, more and more challenging cases coming to light, considering we are talking about a highly contagious Omicron variant of the virus.
Yes, what we are learning from the Chennai Corporation data is that now the majority of the cases are coming from the family contacts itself, because now we already know after new home isolation guidelines, the people who are mild, who have mild symptoms and asymptomatic are referred to home isolation, and when the patient are in home isolation, they are not following the COVID norms. That is, they are not isolating themselves inside a room, and they are mingling with the family members, and this is infecting the family members also. And what we are learning from the Chennai Corporation is that majority of the cases are coming through this way, is what we are hearing. At least 30% of the cases that are being reported daily are coming from family contacts, is what we are hearing from the Chennai Corporation. So now the Chennai Corporation have appointed 1,000 volunteers who will be going to all the COVID positive patients' residences, and they will check whether a positive patient can isolate in their residence if there is a separate facility or a separate room and a toilet. So it will prevent others getting tested positive. If the volunteers find that there is no enough facility for them to isolate separately, then they will be moved to the COVID care centers, is what we are hearing from the Chennai Corporation. Because at least in last 3 days, we have seen the rate at which the cases went up slowed down. But yesterday we have seen a very big surge in the COVID cases. Yesterday alone, Chennai recorded 7,372 cases, which is almost the peak what it was in the second wave. So definitely yes, the positive cases are going up very sharply in Chennai. The Chennai's positivity rate alone stands at 21.3%, and when we speak about Tamil Nadu, it also will cross the 18,000 mark today, and the positivity of the state stands at 11.57%, and the active cases in Tamil Nadu now stands at 88,000.
Right, Mugilan, thank you so much for all those details.